Okay, we are live again. Good evening, Siddharth. What did you do in your 15-minute break? Tell me, what did you do in your 15-minute break, Siddharth? Let's wait for everybody to join in so that we can kind of start. Okay. It's daily class time. Hi, good evening. Hi, Preeti. Pooja, not a daily class. It's today and tomorrow. So let's see. Today and tomorrow is for sure. Others I don't really know, so I'll be informing you accordingly. So if you want to know the timings and everything, just join the Telegram channel and you'll be getting all the details over there. So that's the only place where you can get everything on point, because that is the only place where I'll be you know actively telling you everything what's happening. Already we are going to reach 400 students on that. So let's see. Hello, Rajat. Chalo batao guys, 15 16 people watching. What did you guys do in your 15-minute break? Tell me. What did you guys do? Tell me. Eat. Okay. Piyush Lamba ate in his 10-minute, 15-minute break. Hello, Shivam Guglani. Come on, guys. Like नहीं हो रहा है मेरे को लग रहा है. Like तो नहीं हो पा रहा है. स्टार्ट कर दिया है सर. स्टार कर दिया. ओके, स्टार कर दिया. अच्छा, चेक करता हूँ मैं किस किसने स्टार किया. ठीक है, यही करते हैं पहले. ओके, रजत ने स्टार किया. ओके, 24 पीपल. नाइस. रजत, ओबितो, दिब्बो. ओके, रुद्रा, सुरेश. Guys, just a small tip. Use your names in your GitHub का यूजर नेम. ठीक है, थोड़ा वो. Oliver says brushed up a few concepts on strings. That's really good. Really good. And one problem on CodeChef. अरे वाह. सर, आपकी बीटेक का कौन सा ईयर है? What do you think? Which year am I in? और आपको कैसे पता मैं बीटेक कर रहा हूं? सबसे बड़ा क्वेश्चन. टेल मी. स्ट्रिंग्स पार्ट 2. ओके, सो यार देखो, आई गेस वी आर गुड टू गो. स्टार्ट करते हैं. ठीक है, लेट्स स्टार्ट. So, hello everybody. I am Kabir Singh. I am an avid coder, founder at Jigsaw Minds, mentored 20,000 plus people on YouTube, 3,000, 4,000 plus people, 3,000 plus people over personal mentoring plus I have also gained approximately 50,000 plus views over my YouTube webinars that I've taken till now, including my own channel, then different channels. So easy code, Codeverse now. So yeah, it keeps on adding on every day. So teaching experience of 1 year. The subjects that I usually take are Java fundamentals, C++, data structures, algorithms, Flutter, Dart, and etc. Other than this, you have your career as a developer subscription. As always, it is a very good thing that interests all the developers, and it should be a very good asset for you guys. All you have to do is go and take the subscription for 999 rupees, and you will get a hamper that will gain a lot and a lot of confidence to you guys for your placements, because you will be guided by the best programmers out there. You will be talking to HRs for the eligibility criterias, companies that are coming, if you can, what you can do to be a good company ready product. So you'll be beating the odds in coming for a good placement. You will be solving problems live over the weekends. You'll be making projects. So all of these things, you can get an extra 10% discount if you use the code Kabir. So you'll get the subscription for 899 rupees. So other than that, the Code Chef Apprentice is a Saturday show that is going to be live every 2 p.m. and you will be getting this course by Sai Avinash, who's an SDE at Google and a 7-star at Code Chef. He will be solving Code Chef problems and with 3-star Code Chef people, and solving some problems that will be given by you guys in the chat. If you are new here, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and ring the bell icon. We are this close to 20,000 subscribers on our YouTube channel. 26 people watching and 17 likes feels a lot and a lot sad. So hit the like button, guys. Let's aim for 100 likes, because my last this thing which you call my last session, which I took at 4 p.m. had 90 likes. So let's aim for 100 likes on this video. Call up your friends, tell them to like the stream, come and watch our session, and we'll have a lot of fun. Also, those who are new here and have not become a part of our family yet, you can join our Telegram channel, which is there in the description below. So people like Rajat and who else? Preeti, Siddharth, Sonam, these all are members of Kabir Singh Codes family. You can ask them the perks of being there, because they have access to a lot and a lot of good content, because I keep posting the notes, PDFs, important questions, everything in the Telegram channel. So go and join it up, because I will be giving you notes for this class and other classes over there. Okay, so yeah, this is it. Let's hop in to what we are going to do today, and let me just read the chat first. I missed a lot of messages. सर उस दिन आपने बताया था कि मेरी भी बीटेक चल रही है. हाँ यार, बीटेक चल रही है मेरी भी. सर आपने इंटर्नशिप कर ली है? अगर हाँ तो कौन सी कंपनी में? I have been an intern in multiple companies till now, and now I am not aiming for any other internships, though I have applied in Google. I did it yesterday only, but that is the only thing which I have done till now. So yeah, let's see. उसमें select हो गए तो बहुत अच्छी बात है, नहीं हुए तो कोई बात नहीं यार. See, I am not aiming for any other internships. भैया रेज्यूमे रोस्ट चाहिए इस चैनल पे. शिवम यार, मैं रोस्ट नहीं करता, मेरे से नहीं होता, ठीक है. So yeah, are you guys ready, guys? Tell me, are you guys ready? Chalo. So we did strings part 1 in our last session. कैरी को लाओ. हाँ यार, दोस्त है ना मेरा कैरी. चलो, तो what we are going to do is basically strings part 2. strings part 1 में हमने अभी तक जो किया है, that is what are strings, input, outputs, declaring strings, etc etc. तो अब हम देखेंगे यार कि what are all the functions that we can do on strings. ठीक है, अभी स्ट्रिंग्स सीखा है, अब स्ट्रिंग्स के साथ और कैसे खेल सकते हैं हम. व्हाट आर द गुड थिंग्स दैट वी कैन प्ले अराउंड विद स्ट्रिंग्स, करेक्ट, वो देखने वाले हैं. आई विल बी मेकिंग डिफरेंट नोट्स for this video now, and ye bhi notes I'll be sharing in the Telegram channel. So again, we are this close to 400 people on our Telegram channel already. 385 plus people, 387 I guess. That's what I last saw. So 13 people away from 400 people. In 2 months, we came from 0 to 400 people, guys, and it's a very big thing for me. So just forward it up to your friends and let's aim for more and more students. सर मैं थर्ड ईयर में आ गया हूं, अब डर लग रहा है कि कैसे क्या होगा, कॉलेज भी इतना अच्छा नहीं है मेरा. सिद्धार्थ, डोंट बी अफ्रेड ऑफ योर कॉलेज नॉट बीइंग गुड, बिकॉज कॉलेज से ज्यादा फर्क जो है वो इस चीज से पड़ता है कि हाउ मच आर यू डूइंग. ठीक है, यू कैन अप्लाई ऑफ कैंपस फॉर मल्टीपल प्लेसमेंट्स एंड you still will be a company ready product if you are good. ठीक है, if you are a very good programmer, anyhow some of the other company is going to pick you up and take you with a good package. ठीक है, good package तो छोड़ो यार, never aim for money, just aim for a good company, that's all. चलो, let's go and study strings part 2 guys. ठीक है, strings पार्ट 2. ठीक है, फर्स्ट एपिसोड में हम लोगों ने क्या सीखा? फर्स्ट एपिसोड में वी लर्न, जस्ट रिकैप करते हैं. ठीक है, आ जाओ, फर्स्ट वील रिकैप. ठीक है, तो फर्स्ट एपिसोड में वी सॉ स्ट्रिंग्स. ओके, सो बिफोर आई स्टार्ट, हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू वर देयर इन द लास्ट सेशन? गिव मी अ मी इन द चैट. हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू वर देयर इन द लास्ट सेशन? How many of you were there? Okay, Rajat, Sonam, who else? Nikita, Suresh, and those who weren't there, right? I wasn't there. Those who weren't there, right? I wasn't there in the chat. Okay. So let's go and let's see who wasn't there. Okay, so the best part was that in my last lecture, my dad was also there. That's what he writes in the chat. Me, sir. So that's really good. Let's go and see what are the things that we learned. So in strings, there was a collection of characters, and we kind of converted our agenda from storing characters in strings to storing characters in arrays to storing characters in strings now. And then we came up with the syntax where string str, cin, string cout, string input will be Kabir, output will be Kabir. Really easy. Then we saw some tips and tricks on solving big problems, arrays, and a very important tip on solving your string problems, that you have to write include string. There's no issue with that, Preeti. I'm just going to revise it right now and we are going to go forward. These were normal string syntaxes that we followed, and now we are going to have more fun. So then we saw the declaration of strings. We can declare a string in 4 ways. One is a normal basic way where you just declare the string and name. The second is string of a specific size. The third was string of a specific size and a specific character and copy of a string. Okay, I have shared the notes in the Telegram channel. You can go and have a look. Then we saw taking inputs of string in a line. So we took sentence inputs and we saw how these come out to be. And this was the entire thing that we did. And now we have finally come up to strings part 2. Okay. In strings part 2, the first thing that we are going to see, or actually the entire agenda for this session, will be functions of strings. or maybe we can say functions that take place in a string. Understood? Understood, guys? So basically, when you talk about the functions of the string, you have different functions that are there, and you perform different functions. So the first function is append. Append, basically what it does is it combines two strings. Okay. So the first function that we are going to do, I'll just write it in a better way because I need to send it to you guys. So I'll just write it in a better way. Are you guys ready? If yes, write a ready in the chat. I want to see how many of you guys are ready. So what we are going to do today? Functions. Okay? We are going to do functions. What are the functions? The first function that we are going to do is append. Correct? So we are going to do append, and in append we actually do just one thing, that is combine two strings. Okay? A very less amount of people are replying in the chat. So start replying in the chat, guys. Only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 people reply out of 26. That's not nice. Okay. So now what basically happens when you're combining strings, you can do it in two ways. The first way is using the append function. Okay. How do you use the append function? Does anybody know how you use the append function? Imagine there's a string S1 and there's a string S2. Okay. There's string S1 and there's string S2. Now you want to combine both these strings. What are you going to do? You'll write S1 dot append. Correct? You're going to use the append function and you're going to tell which string to append, that is S2. So S1 dot append S2, and then when you see out S1, you will be getting the combination of S1 and S2. Kind of confusing, but when I'll show you in the code, you will be able to understand. So let's create a new file, say append.cpp, and write a code, hash include string, and let's write something like string S1 equals Kabir and string S2 equals Singh. And now I want to print my entire name together, so I'll be writing S1 dot append S2, and all I'll do is see out S1, and when I'll run this program, I will get an output as Kabir Singh. Understood? Yes or no? Give me a yes or a no in the chat, guys. Give me a yes or a no. Okay. Now, one way of appending or combining strings is using the append function, and the second way of appending or combining strings is using a normal addition operator. How does this happen? You write string S1, you write string s2 and you write cout s1 plus s2, that's all. प्लीज फिर से बता दोगे, मैं अभी आया भैया. डीके सिंह, एक्चुअली व्हाट वी डू इज अपेंड फंक्शन यूज करते हैं टू कंबाइन टू स्ट्रिंग्स. हाउ डू यू यूज इट? अगर s1 एक स्ट्रिंग है और s2 एक स्ट्रिंग है तो दोनों को कंबाइन करने के लिए टू कंबाइन s1 एंड s2 वी राइट s1 डॉट अपेंड ब्रैकेट में s2 एंड यू गेट योर कंबाइंड स्ट्रिंग इन s1 एंड देन यू कैन प्रिंट इट आउट. ठीक है. एंड द सेकेंड वे इज एडिशन फंक्शन यूज करके, एडिशन ऑपरेटर यूज करके. सो सिमिलरली व्हाट यू कैन डू इज जस्ट कम हियर and rather than writing this you write string s3 is equal to s1 plus s2 and print string s3. So this should also give you something like Kabir Singh, and it gave you Kabir Singh. Okay, not yet Rajat, not yet. Understood? It's okay, welcome. ठीक है. 2 likes away from 30 likes guys. Like तो करो. Come on, hit the like button. हाँ स्टिल यूज होता है बट अभी नहीं करेंगे यार, बिकॉज अभी आई एम काइंड ऑफ टेकिंग द किक स्टार्ट कोर्स. अभी नहीं, बाद में करते हैं. ठीक है, चलो आगे चलते हैं. तो इट वाज इजी अपेंड करना, कंबाइनिंग टू स्ट्रिंग. समझ आया? 2 वेज में स्ट्रिंग कंबाइन हो सकते हैं. ठीक है, यस और नो? हाउ डू यू कंबाइन? पहला होता है अपेंड फंक्शन, दूसरा होता है s1 plus s2. इजी? कम ऑन गाइस, गिव मी अ यस और नो इन द चैट. वेरी गुड. नाउ द नेक्स्ट फंक्शन इज असाइनिंग. ठीक है, असाइनिंग. अब असाइनिंग में क्या होता है? पहला अपेंड था, सेकंड हो जाएगा असाइनिंग. हाँ नोट्स अभी भेज दूंगा. और इसको बोलते हैं असाइन. ये जो पीछे अनोनिमस, आर यू टॉकिंग अबाउट दिस क्लॉक? ये वाली, ये क्लॉक बेसिकली वो है, क्या बोलते हैं, वॉलपेपर है. इट्स नॉट एन एक्चुअल क्लॉक, इट्स जस्ट अ बैकग्राउंड ऑफ माई ग्रीन स्क्रीन. ठीक है, तो असाइन में क्या होता है? Whenever you want to assign a string some new value, assign a new value to a string. ठीक है, अब ये कैसे होगा? अगर मैंने, what if बचपन में my name was string name equals KABEER. ठीक है, बट मेरे पेरेंट्स ने मेरा नेम चेंज करके KABEER से KABIR कर दिया. सो हाउ डू आई कोड इट अप? मैं क्या करूंगा? नेम डॉट असाइन KABIR और सी आउट नेम. इससे क्या होगा? दिस स्ट्रिंग विल बी असाइंड अ न्यू वैल्यू एंड आई विल बी गेटिंग माई न्यू नेम दैट इज KABIR अदर देन KABEER. अंडरस्टूड? यस और नो? यस और नो गाइस, जल्दी बताओ. कोड भी करके देख लेते हैं, कोई इशू नहीं है. दोज हु हैव स्टार्ट द रिपोजिटरी, उनका फायदा हो रहा है क्योंकि मैंने गिटहब पे कोड डाल दिया है. आई हैव पुट द अपेंड कोड ऑल्सो ऑन गिटहब, सारा कोड गिटहब पे जा रहा है साथ के साथ. ठीक है, चलो गेटिंग बैक, हमारे को क्या करना है, असाइन करना है. तो स्ट्रिंग नेम इज इक्वल टू कबीर, ठीक है, और नाम अब चेंज होके हो गया है नेम डॉट असाइन KBIR. ठीक है, सी आउट नेम, दैट्स ऑल. तो मैंने इनिशियली नेम को क्या लिखा था, कबीर, एंड आउटपुट KBER वाला नहीं आया, असाइंड वैल्यू वाला आया, दैट इज KBIR. करेक्ट? यस और नो? कम ऑन, गिव मी a yes or a no in the chat. Chalo, very good. Now what happens is, sir, you told us, when you told us about append, तो आपने दो वर्जन दिए थे, एक append का फंक्शन और एक इजी आंसर. क्या आपके पास असाइन का कोई इजी आंसर है? Yes. If you want to assign a value, the second way to do it is something like string name equals Kabir and string की जगह नहीं, we'll write name is equal to Kabir. That's all. शिवम गुगलानी, इनिशियली बेसिक ही रहेगा बिकॉज आई वोंट बी एबल टू टेक थिंग्स विच आर वेरी कॉम्प्लेक्स, क्योंकि यहाँ पे बहुत बच्चे देख रहे हैं जिनको नहीं आता है, विच आर हु आर फॉलोइंग मी फ्रॉम द स्टार्ट. सो आई नीड टू गो विद द प्रोसेस एंड द एजेंडा. भैया ओटी में फेल हो रहा है, ओटी में फेल हो रहा है ना? रुद्र प्रताप सिंह, बिकॉज वी आर वी आर ट्राइंग टू टेक इट ऑन दिस चैनल, इसलिए. मृगांक, स्ट्रिंग काफी कॉम्प्लेक्स हो जाएगा अभी उन स्टूडेंट्स के लिए जो अभी इस छोटे कंसेप्ट को सीख रहे हैं, बट आई विल बी कमिंग अप विद दोज इंटरव्यू टॉपिक्स, दैट इज स्ट्रिंग वगैरह वगैरह, तुम्हारा वही स्लाइडिंग विंडो, डच फ्लैग, सब कुछ. तो वो सब करेंगे बट थोड़े टाइम बाद, अभी तो नहीं. ठीक है, ठीक है. सो द सेकेंड थिंग कैन बी, यू कैन डायरेक्टली इजीली जस्ट राइट, कम हियर एंड राइट. इतना कुछ करने की जगह सीधा लिखो नेम इज इक्वल टू न्यू वैल्यू, फिनिश. न्यू वैल्यू आउटपुट आ गया. ठीक है, इजी गाइज. फंक्शन समझ आया? कम ऑन, गिव मी a yes or a no in the chat. अब हम करेंगे एड फंक्शन. ठीक है, नाउ व्हाट इज एन एड फंक्शन? या यश मिश्रा, यस. बेसिक टू प्रो होगा, कल भी है यार, कल प्रो लेवल की चीजें होंगी, आज बेसिक है. ठीक है गाइज, ऐड फंक्शन बेसिकली क्या होता है कि वेन एवर यू आर राइटिंग कोड एंड यू वांट टू एक्सेस अ स्पेसिफिक एलिमेंट, उसमें यूज होता है हमारा ऐड फंक्शन. नेम जीरो का आउटपुट कुछ नहीं होगा, एरर आएगा क्योंकि नेम जीरो आपने एरे में कन्वर्ट कर दिया. एरे ये है नहीं, स्ट्रिंग है. अंडरस्टूड. तो ऐड फंक्शन रिटर्न्स द कैरेक्टर एट अ स्पेसिफिक इंडेक्स. अंडरस्टूड. तो अब हम क्या करेंगे, एक इजी सा कोड, समथिंग लाइक string str equals Kabir and we need to print the element or the character at the third index. ठीक है. तो मेरे को क्या चाहिए, मेरे को इनिशियली हमारे स्ट्रिंग का थर्ड एलिमेंट चाहिए. तो प्रवीर प्रताप, दिस विल बी यूज, जो आपका नेम जीरो है ना वो यहां पे यूज होगा इन ऐड फंक्शन. लेट मी कंप्लीट प्रवीर, उसके बाद पूछना. ठीक है. तो क्या होगा, सी आउट में विल कम हियर एंड विल से str डॉट एट 3, मतलब स्ट्रिंग के एट पे स्ट्रिंग एट इंडेक्स 3 आप हमें आउटपुट दे दो. आइदर वी कैन डू दिस और वी कैन से सी आउट str स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट 3. अंडरस्टूड. इससे क्या होगा, वापस से वही थर्ड एलिमेंट जो भी होगा हमारा वो प्रिंट हो जाएगा. कैसे, लेट्स सी. एट डॉट cpp कोड करके देख लेते हैं. hash include string and we'll write string name is equal to Kabir and we'll write cout as name dot at braces parentheses 3 and l cout name स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट 3. तो जो प्रवीर प्रताप ने पूछा था, ये क्या होगा, स्ट्रिंग का थर्ड एलिमेंट हमारे को मिल जाएगा. रन करके देखते हैं. आई वाई, अभी अब आई क्यों आया, बिकॉज हमारा आउटपुट क्या था, इनपुट क्या था, कबीर. कंप्यूटर की काउंटिंग कहां से शुरू होती है, 0 0 1 2 3, थर्ड पे क्या है, आई. वी गॉट 2 आईज. इसका भी आउटपुट आई आया, इसका भी आउटपुट आई आया. अंडरस्टूड. अंडरस्टूड गाइज, यस और नो. Yes, Ankit Singh, for all types of header file, we can use that. Okay, so the next thing which we'll be doing is begin, but begin is not that important, so I guess we should go with clear करते हैं. ठीक है. So एक और फंक्शन होता है which is called as clear, and clear is the fourth function. Yes, Praveer, it won't act as an array. You will be able to access its elements like you can access array. Let's check it out. Akash Verma. So you want to print name at 10, okay? So यहाँ पे आते हैं, name at 10 लिखते हैं और run करते हैं. So you are going to get an error because std out of range. जो भी तुमने expect किया है that is out of range. Look at this. ठीक है, दिख रहा है ना ये out of range. Can you see this is out of range? तो तुमने जो भी एक्सपेक्ट किया कंप्यूटर से दैट इज आउट ऑफ रेंज, इसलिए तुम्हारा आउट ऑफ रेंज आ जाता है. इसलिए हमने यहाँ पे 3 किया और रन किया तो यहाँ पे आई आ जाएगा. करेक्ट? अंडरस्टूड? यस और नो बॉयज? टेल मी. Why not garbage? Because you are not accessing arrays, you are accessing strings. Praveer Pratap. ठीक है, चलो लेट्स मूव फॉरवर्ड एंड वी विल बी डूइंग क्लियर. क्लियर से यार कुछ नहीं होता, बेसिकली इट जस्टिफाइज द नेम ऑफ द फंक्शन. वो कुछ नहीं होता, स्ट्रिंग str है अगर और str में कबीर है और आप इसमें क्लियर फंक्शन लगा देते हो तो अंदर में जो भी वैल्यू है वो क्लियर हो जाएगी. दैट्स ऑल. अंडरस्टूड? इफ यू जस्ट गो एंड यू जस्ट राइट str.clear तो वो क्लियर कर देगा. एक बार करके दिखा देता हूं मैं. ठीक है, सो इफ इट इज स्ट्रिंग नेम और हम सिर्फ नेम प्रिंट करते हैं तो आउटपुट क्या आता है? कबीर. राइट? अगर हम यहां पे आके लिख देते हैं नेम डॉट क्लियर और फिर रन करते हैं तो कोई आउटपुट नहीं आएगा क्योंकि हमने क्लियर कर दिया और उसके अंदर कोई भी वैल्यू नहीं है. इजी? यस और नो? जल्दी बताओ. Memory will be lost या memory will be blank. What do you mean by clear, Praveer Pratap? Can you tell me the meaning of clear? The meaning of clear is everything stored in your memory will be cleared off. Means it will be cleared. Now it can be lost or it can be blank. At the end of the day, it's cleared. Understood? चलो नेक्स्ट फंक्शन पे चलते हैं. नेक्स्ट फंक्शन इज कंपेयर. तो कंपेयर में क्या होता है? बेसिकली यू कंपेयर टू स्ट्रिंग्स. ठीक है, so compare the values of the strings with the strings passed in the parameter and returns an integer accordingly. Obviously Praveer Pratap, if you are clearing this off तो यहां पे आके आप वही मेमोरी में नेम में वापस यूज कर सकते हो ना. You can store new values in the name, obviously. That is pretty obvious. It is, if I'll just ask you a simple question. You make a folder in your computer. It occupies 1 GB of memory. If you delete that file, will you be able to access that 1 GB again or not? Simple, logical question. Will you be able to? Tell me. So now we are going to use compare. So what happens actually, I'll just show you the code first and then we'll go to our notes and understand what is happening. So let's write S1 over here and we'll write ABC let's write S2 over here and write XYZ. And now see out S1 dot compare S2. So we will compare our S1 with our S2 and we'll see what is the output that we'll usually get, because the entries in both the strings is different. Here it's ABC and here it's XYZ. So ABC has a different integral value in the ASCII table and XYZ has a different integral value in the in the ASCII table. So you get -1, means S1 is kind of smaller than XYZ. But if I write ABC over here and then I compare it, I'll get a 0 because there's no difference. Correct? And now if I write XYZ on the top and now I compare, I'll get 1. So just understand the point. You are comparing two strings. One second, I'll just write it over here. Okay, so whenever you write over this, and then what is going to happen is that you are trying to compare two strings. So when you compare two strings and you use the compare function, what are you going to do? String S1 equals ABC, string S2 equals XYZ. So can somebody in the chat tell me the ASCII value of A, small a, and the ASCII value of X? Praveer Pratap, can you tell me the ASCII value of A and X? And the answer to your question on what is the time complexity of compare, it will be big O of n plus m, where n is the size of the first string and m is the size of the second string. Okay? So now tell me the ASCII value of small a and small x. Come on. Tell me, what is the ASCII value of small a? 96 or 97? What is it? Is it 96 or it is 97? Okay, 97. Very good. And small x, what is small x then? So if A is 96, what is X? Tell me. What will be X? Sorry, 97, I'm sorry. X is 88. Small x, Viraj. Okay, 120. Is it 120? Tell me. It is 120. 88 is the value of capital X and 120 is the value of small x. Now just understand one thing. It's 97. Okay, so the entire value of this will be 97, 98, 99. And the entire value of this will be 120, 121 and 122. So when you consider this and consider this, which is bigger? Obviously XYZ is bigger. So when you compare your S1 to your S2 and your S1 is ABC and your S2 is XYZ, so your S1 is smaller than S2 So you will get a -1 in the answer. If your S1 is equal to S2, you will get a 0 in the answer. And if your S1 is greater than S2, you will get a 1 in the answer. That is, if your S1 becomes XYZ and your S2 becomes ABC, you will get a 1 in the answer. Viraj, I could not read your question. Your message got retracted before that. Okay. So A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. Let's see now. Again, I get a 1 in the answer. Okay. So this is something what you do, and this is some algorithm which is used to kind of compare two strings. Okay. Moving forward, let's consider one more what do you call function, and the function will be erase. Okay. So now the next function that we're going to do is erase. Kind of fun kind of a function. Used to have play with strings a little more. So we are going to see erase. ठीक है. और erase में हम क्या करेंगे? What are we going to do? We are going to erase specific characters from the string. ठीक है. We are going to erase specific characters from the string. How? If I write KABIR and I want to erase A and I, how do I do it? My name is KABIR and I want to remove A and I and I want to print out KBR. How do I do it? Tell me. Any idea? Or maybe I want to remove everything from A till a specific number. Like I want to remove A, B, I. So I want to remove three values, that is A, B, I, and I want to print KR. Or I want to remove K, A, B, I, R, and I just want to print K. How do I do it? Look at this. So if I have S1 as K, A, B, I, R, I remove this. So Praveer Pratap, you mean by comparing two strings, you are going to remove the value from a specific string. How is that possible? Compare in English means, measuring the value of two things. Correct? So by measuring the value of two things, can you compare and remove? No. A big no. We have a specific function for it, and that function is called as erase. So what we're going to do, s1.erase. Okay. So the first thing will be the value from which we have to remove. We have to remove from A. So A ka index number is 1, 0 and 1. So we are going to remove from 1, comma. How many things do you want to remove? Okay. Or what is the last number till which you want to remove? I want to remove till 2. I want to remove till 3. And now if I run, I see out my S1 and I run it, I get the output as, sorry, I missed out the C out. I'm sorry. Just a sec, guys. Okay, better. Now if I run it up, I get KR. If I just write Kabir Singh and now I run this value, it comes at KR Singh. If I increase the value till 5 and now I run it up, so from the first character to the fifth character, everything is removed and it comes at KINGH. If I do it till 7, it comes as KGH. So in short, the first character and the last character can be entered and you can erase the characters in between those numbers. Understood? Understood, guys? Yes or no? 2 likes away from 40, guys. Hit the like button. Okay. Understood, guys? Everybody got it? Yeah, erasing between the character alternate. I don't know. I'm just erasing characters. So first of all, tell me, do you have any other doubts till now on the points that I've taught you? Sir, when can I add? Like, how much I must know about it? See, when you're adding a particular language in your resume, you should be confident enough to solve competitive questions in that. Okay? Competitive questions means if you want to add it in your resume, at least get 5 stars on HackerRank first. Understood, Viraj? At least HackerRank pe get 5 stars so that you know that you're confident enough to solve questions in that language. So that you know that you have finished a lot and a lot in the same. Understood? Did you guys understand? How can I erase only A and H? Okay. You want to erase only A and H, okay? See. So, making it easier, A, B, C, D, E, F, G. ठीक है? अब इसमें से I want to remove only B and I want to remove only F. B का पोजीशन क्या है? 0, 1. ठीक है? 1 से शुरू करके 1 तक ही जाना है because I want to remove from 1 till 1. Then I want to remove F. So I'll write S1 dot erase F. A, B, C, D, E, F. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. From 5 till 5, I want to remove it and I want to print out my S1. Now if I print it out, I'll get A, C, D, E, F. Okay, 1 second. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Sorry, it should be 6. F के लिए 6 होना चाहिए. My bad. 1 second. A, B, C, D, E, F. Yeah, so if I want to remove the B and I run this code, I'll get A, C, D, E, F. So what happens is basically from 1, that is B, till 1, that is B. So first element and last element is the same. So it just removes that element and gives us the output. You can see, I'll tell you one thing. Rather than wasting time, you should experiment things out. That's when you will get the answers to your questions. Okay, so there are a hell lot of functions in your things, and there are a lot of functions in strings. So I will be making special notes for them because there are approximately 17-18 functions. You have substring, you have size, you have resize, length, insert, find, erase, and empty. Everything is there. So you can join the Telegram channel and I'll be sending more notes over there. Also, we are going to have an extra class tomorrow. One more class will be there. Again, 4 to 5, 5:15 to 6:15. Today's class got a little late. It started at 4:15. So we had to do the next lecture at 5:30. So tomorrow it will be 4 to 5 and 5:15 to 6:15. So we'll be having a lot of fun studying some more about strings and more problems. Today we did a lot of theory. Tomorrow we'll do a lot of problems. And you can access these codes on GitHub. It's there in the link. The link is there in the description below. So you can go and have them. Can we use inbuilt function in interview? I guess, yeah, you can, obviously. It's not illegal. You're not cheating, okay? It's a normal function that's there. Now, if you come and say, can I use dot erase in my interview? You can obviously use it. It's coding. It's given for use. It's given to you so that you can use it. Okay, any other doubts till now? Any other doubts, guys? If you have a doubt, write your doubt. If you don't have a doubt, write a no doubt in the chat. If you don't have a doubt, write no doubt in the chat. Come on, guys. If you don't have a doubt, write it. That you don't have a doubt. No doubt, no doubt. Okay. Till then, I'll just make a PDF of these string functions and I'll send it to the group. Yeah. वही कर रहा हूँ रजत, अभी वही कर रहा हूँ. Before I end the stream, I'll send it. That's better, so that I don't also forget about it. Okay, so I have sent the PDF for strings part 1 and strings part 2 both. So you can go and check the notes up. They are there in the description in the Telegram channel. The link to the Telegram channel is there in the description below. So go and have a look. You will be able to access all the notes. I want to teach Java plus collection plus DSA. But how can I apply? Where do you want to teach? Where do you want to teach? Notes available. Shravan Kumar, notes are there in the Telegram channel. भेज दिया मैंने. Notes are there in the Telegram channel already. I've sent them. Where do you want to apply, Abhishek Jha? Is CodeChef good for CPU? Obviously. On an academy, I'm not sure about that, Abhishek Jha. I guess whenever there will be any openings, you will get to see them in the link on the LinkedIn page or somewhere. So keep an eye on the LinkedIn and the Instagram and all that places of Unacademy. I guess that's the best place where you can find us recruiting people. I'm not sure and I don't know about it, so I won't comment. Okay, so no doubts, guys. I guess you were able to understand everything. So I will be watching you. I will be meeting you guys again tomorrow at 4 p.m. and we will be having a lot of fun studying some more strings and advanced level of strings tomorrow. So tomorrow we'll be studying advanced level of strings. So let's meet each other tomorrow at 4 p.m. It was really nice having you guys. If you haven't liked the stream, like the stream. How much star is good for resume? CodeChef पे यार देख लो 4-5 stars तो minimum होने चाहिए. 3 star plus should be there. Thank you so much for joining. If you haven't liked the stream, hit the like button. We are 8 likes away from 50 likes. Let's at least touch 45. So thank you so much for coming and I will see you guys tomorrow at 4 p.m. So don't forget to hit the like button and join the Telegram so that you can get updates on when I'm live and where am I live, because I stream on Codeverse and Easy Code both. So sometimes I'm live on Easy Code, sometimes I'm live on Codeverse. Tomorrow I'll be live on Codeverse only, but I can be live with other things on Easy Code. So join the Telegram channel. You'll get a notification on whenever I'm live. So I will see you guys tomorrow. Thank you so much for joining in and have a nice evening, guys. Bye bye.